what's up, my friends? Welcome back. This is Downlaod. First of all, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today, I'm going to show you something very special for the people using PHP scripts. Sometimes, maybe you have a script. I think I'm offering the free script within my website. Check the link in the description. You'll get HYPI MAX PHP script. And whenever people they install this script, they usually get a problem, and I'm going to demonstrate here, then I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. Okay, yes. So for instance, this is my script and I need to make some adjustments, some changes. Okay, because these are just the default changes. Maybe we need to update something. Let's say like we need to update a logo. Okay, so we need to update the script logo. Maybe we are in this section. Okay, so like we need to add a new logo. Whenever I select it here, I come to my PC, then I selected the logo, maybe which is somewhere here. Okay, so this is my logo. Then I update this logo. You see, I have added the logo. So whenever I save, you see, I update general settings. You see there is a pop-up here like you're not allowed. You see, this pop-up. You see, we have this like you are not allowed in demo action. Okay, this action in demo. So people they usually ask you, hey, how to solve this problem? Some of people are not even experienced on how they can solve this issue. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can solve out this problem, and from now on, you will never get this kind of a problem. Okay, so we're going to solve that problem. Like when you want to update something, it gives you an alert like you cannot do this in demo. You see, so if this happens, it means it will not allow you update anything within this script unless otherwise you are not in demo, so you are in the action mode. So how to do it? Remember, you have your installation path, maybe your installation path of your scripting. In this case, I'm using cPanel. So I will go directly to my file manager. Remember, I provided the video on how you can do installation for this. So I will come to my file manager here. Then I'll visit here on the public HTML. Here is where my installation is, by the way. So I'll come up on the core. Then I find this environment. You see .m file. So sometimes people they don't get this, they don't see it. They should ask me, hey, where is this? So if we don't see it, you see now we have an option here for show hidden files. So if I put it off, whenever we come here and we check automatically, we are not going to find the environment file. You see, so the environment file in Laravel, it is the place where all database configuration is. So if you are not, you cannot find it direct from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click here, then on the settings, then you click on the show hidden files. When you update this, you will get the .environment file. So this is where the problem comes from. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click on edit, then we're going to edit this source code, and here we are going to see our database installation. So you'll find an option written demo is equal to 1. You see, yes, you see demo is equal to 1. So if I put this demo is equal to 1, then I put it is 0, it means what we are doing now, we have turned off the demo mode, so we are in the action mode. So if you save this from the saver, from the database, then you come back here, you refresh your page, and you try to update something from your script. Now you'll find everything is up and running. If we try again, maybe let's come then grab our logo here. This is my logo. Then if I update this, okay, update settings, now we are going to capture settings updated. You see now we have a general setting has been updated successfully. So now the problem is solved. So guys, for people who were asking about this, I think I have answered your question. So maybe if you're looking for that, you visit my website on the link in the description. This script is free of charge. So just click the link in the description, then visit my website. You'll find this script. We have various of scripts, by the way. So you come up here on the PHP scripts, and you'll get this HYPI MAX PHP script ready for you to start an investment platform online. Okay, yes. So we have a bunch of them, but the one of them is PHP script, which is what I'm explaining for. So if you have not yet watched the video on how you can on how you can install. Just click in the link, then you will see it. Okay, you see now we have our PHP script type max. So this is what I'm speaking about, and we have active installation 213, which is very good. So people are just looking for this. That's why I'm making a video for this one. Thank you for watching. In case of anything, just comment in the comment section below. I think I'll be available as soon as possible to let you know where you get the problem. It is free of charge, $0. Thank you. Let's meet into another video. Remember to subscribe.